Hello everybody, happy VEDA day 20. Today is day 20 for you guys. Oh my goodness. I've had a very eventful week. Not only did I cut my pinky off, but I just cut the tip, the very tip. This morning I got up and I tried to take the bandage off and it was stuck to it and it hurt profusely, as you can imagine. But I did get it off. I'm not going to show it to you guys. I wouldn't want to look at yours, so don't look at mine. But anyways, I'm in here in the living room. Ronnie just left to go to the gym, and I have got a lot of housework to do because yesterday nothing got done. And would you know that I actually put a marker in my back pocket of a brand new pair of clean denim jeans. And I think it will come out. I don't think it's permanent. But I was fiddling trying to take care of my finger today, and I forgot that I stuck it in my back pocket, and I sat on it and I busted it and it went all over my jeans. Okay, first order of business is emptying my washer into my dryer. And somebody asked me what if I'm still using the Breezy dryer sheets, and I am. These are made in the USA and I buy them at the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna throw that in. Excuse the stuff on top of my... There we go. There we go. We got it started. Now here is my jeans where I sat in permanent marker. And I'm afraid that it'll bleed out on other clothes, so I'm just going to do an extra small load. Okay, so I made my to-do list. So I'm going to clean kitchen. I'm going to load coffee pot. I'm going to spot mop downstairs. Clean glass on mirror and front door. It really needs to be done. I'm going to take... clean clothes upstairs, and I'm going to lay out Ron's clothes, and I'm going to put fresh towels in his bathroom and tidy that bathroom up upstairs, which really needs to be done. If you are curious about where I get my paper, because I know some of you guys are have low vision like myself, so my paper is actually called low vision paper, and I looked it up, and you can get it at Walmart on excuse me, that's my water bottle falling over. You can buy it at walmart.com. And it isn't very expensive, and I get mine through the blind association that I belong to. I also use a bold writer. And I love these pens, and I love this paper. It really makes life a lot easier for me, because if you are new to my channel, I have what they call Stargardt's disease, which means I have a spot in the middle of my retina, which causes me not to have any central vision whatsoever. All I have is peripheral vision. So that is that. So I'm going to get on these tasks and get my work done. So hopefully I can share this with you guys. I'm not putting you on a tripod, so I'm hoping... Let me see if I turn this one light on, if that helps a little bit. Not really, because the sun is busting through this window. I've got my crock pot set on high. I'm going to show you guys how I do my baked potatoes. We like giant baked potatoes. So basically, one at a time, I drizzle it generously all over with olive oil, and I'm going to do that for 4 baked potatoes. Now, it's just 2 of us, but trust me, when I make these baked potatoes, we make these into a meal. So I'm going to drizzle these real good with my olive oil all over. Really good. Now remember, you can put a little bit extra. It's not going to hurt nothing. Doesn't hurt anything. You can't have too much olive oil or anything like that. So, but this is what gives it that, what I like to call the red lobster potato. I am using, you do not have to, I'm using pink Himalayan salt. And I am going to just dust these with the salt all over. There we go. And then I'm going to turn them over and do the other side. get the salt on there. And then all I'm going to do is put the lid on and let these cook on high in my crock pot for about 2 to 3 hours, or until we get ready to eat supper tonight. It's about 2 o'clock. Ronnie usually gets home around 3:30, 4 o'clock. So I'm looking to eat dinner probably about 5:30, 6ish. So these will have plenty of time in here. If they get done before dinner, just turn it on warm and they will keep. But they have when they cook up, they'll have that very crusty, like outer skin, like a baked potato you would get in a restaurant, and I love that. So I'm just going to put my lid on, let my crock pot do its thing, and I'm going to finish up my dishes. So I just got done loading my potatoes. I pre-loaded the coffee pot because Ronnie likes a cup of coffee when he gets home. I want to show that I washed all of my new plates from the Dollar Tree. What I need to do, along with cleaning the kitchen, I just got done all my dishes. I loaded the crock pot. I did load the coffee maker. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to spot mop and take out the garbages downstairs. And then I'm going to clean the glass and the mirror real quickly, and I'll take the clean clothes upstairs. So I'm going to go ahead and mark this off and this off, and I'll go ahead and get onto that now. Stove is clean, trash is taken out, all of this is done. No dishes, hallelujah. Mopped all of the floor, just using some vinegar and water, so I just kept it very simple. Ronnie's clothes are here on the banister laid out for him when he gets home, so all he's got to do is grab that and go upstairs and take his shower. Oh, my face is hot. Oh my goodness, it's hot. But anyways, yeah, I got a good bit done. Ronnie should be on the bus or about to get on the bus. You never know what you're going to get week to week. But I am going to get some ice water or something and sit down in my chair for a little bit and listen for him to come home. About to do the glass on the doors. So much better. No smears, no smudgies. I'm starting to make dinner, and I thought I would show you guys the lobster biscuits recipe. So I've got Audi brand Bisquick. This actually was a new brand that they started carrying, and so honestly, it's a whole lot cheaper than the other one, so that's actually a really good thing. So I've got 2 cups of it, and I'm just going to put that into my bowl, and I just kind of push it to the sides a little bit just to kind of make a little bit of a whale. And then I add in my 2/3 cup of milk to the center, and then I have a 1/2 cup of finely grated cheddar cheese. And basically you want to fold all this together until it makes a dough, and then you are going to drop it onto your ungreased cookie sheet, and your oven's going to be preheated at 450 degrees. They will bake for 6 to 8 minutes, it says. So I'm saying about 7 probably in my oven. And then when they come out, you brush them with butter that you have added some garlic powder to. So I'm going to give this a try. It's the first time ever using this recipe, so keep your fingers crossed it comes out. Well, here they are, ready to go in the oven. They look like. Ooh. Doesn't those look good? I can't wait to load those down. So I got the butter and the garlic going, and I've got my brush ready for when they come out of the oven to brush them really generously with butter and garlic. And then I've got his meat warming up over here.
Oh man, I like that.
I just sat down to eat, and the verdict on the Red Lobster biscuits.
I love them. She ain't sure about them, but I love them. Trust me, guys, they're very good.
They taste undercooked, but the bottoms are brown.
I like them crusty.
They are, but I think They're moist the way they are because of the cheese and the butter that you put on them. So I don't really know what to think. Like, this one's better. This one tastes a little bit better. And it was real hard to get them.
Got a big plate full of meat over here. Show them the.
Oh, they see.
Show them the meat.
They seen the meat.
Now.
The wolf is eating over here.
The wolfie loves this.
This one's a little bit better. I really think it has to do with your sizing, because my second batch, they were bigger. Care for them as much, and then the smaller ones seem to be a little bit better. Anyways, just thought I would put that in for you guys, because I know you'll be wanting to see me try it. Well, guys, I'm going to call it a day here. I am getting ready to go to bed, so I'm going to edit this before I go to bed and try to get this uploaded for you tomorrow. Actually, tomorrow is right now because I'm up that late. Ronnie and I, we get to watching TV and we can't stop watching the episodes because we can't wait to see what happens. And then we just get too tired and can't watch it anymore. So, off to bed we go. Anyhow, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And I have so enjoyed all of your comments on my videos. It honestly puts sunshine in my day when I hear from you guys. So be sure to comment, because I love that. And tomorrow, which is today, I am going, if weather permits, we are supposed to get snow. It is 61 degrees right now. But by 6 a.m., it's supposed to be in the 40s, and we are supposed to see snow. I don't know if it'll actually really happen, but we are supposed to get snow. If it gets too bad, I won't be going anywhere. But tomorrow, sometime after 11 o'clock, the plan is that I am going to go to Walmart, because Thursday I am getting my second Pfizer shot for my COVID vaccine. And the first one made me sick for like a day. And the second one might make me sick. I don't know. You know, nobody can ever tell what's going to happen.
We certainly hope not.
Ronnie, you come in here scaring me to death when I'm vlogging.
Oh, I just snuck in on you. You know what, though? I'll tell you what. I think it's going to be just fine, baby.
I think it's going to be fine, but all I'm telling my...
If you get sick, I'll fix you some soup.
I know it. I'm going to put him in charge, and I'm going to bed if I get sick. I got it worse than him the first round, so I felt like poo-poo, if you know what I mean. But anyways, the reason why I'm going to Walmart is because I'm just going to get milk, bread, eggs, you know, the common things you need. And I thought I might get a couple easy snacks in case neither one of us feel like cooking anything or doing anything. So, plus
we're gonna, you know what? We're gonna let my baby make some of that good hot dog chili.
Yeah.
And
tomorrow I'm going to make my hot dog chili. And so if things get really bad and I don't feel like cooking, I will just heat the hot dog chili up on Thursday. And Ronnie had this idea that he liked my baked potatoes in the crock pot so much that we would put the chili on them
with the
cheese.
Sour cream.
With sour cream and everything.
And not only chili and sour cream, but slide you some cheese right in on it.
Right. So that's what he's thinking is food. But for me, last time when I got my shot, all I wanted was a can of soup. It's all I wanted. And I didn't have a can of soup. When I talk about can of soup, I mean I just wanted your run-of-the-mill chicken noodle soup in a can. You know what I'm talking about. So good thing is his mom and dad live next door, and I went over to get the can, and I think she knew that I felt like poo-poo. She said, "Do you want me to make this for you?" I said, "Oh, you don't have to." She said, "I can make it for you." So she made it for me, and I ate it over there. So apparently, I look like boo-boo.
And when she asked you the second time, she said, "I'd be glad to make it for you." And
Yeah.
my baby said, "Sure, I would be glad for you to make it
Yeah,
for me."
please make it for me. I'm dying. Well, anyways, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for watching. This is VEDA Day number 20.
And if you're not new, please continue watching.
Yes, and subscribe so that you can watch the rest of this month for VEDA. And if you don't know what VEDA is, it's a vlog every day of April. So I will see you all tomorrow. Good night, guys.